Parmesan, and kale. Oh, what should we do? What should we do? What should we do? Bake in the oven for you. Vitamin A, vitamin C, and K will help you have a super day. With lots of spices on the tips. It's spicy, sweet, and crunchy too. We love it so much, and so will you. And so will you. Taste it and place it on the plate. You'll like your cousins, it tastes great. Class cloth, clean leaves, fresh air, teamwork and fun. We had a blast and now we're done. Now we're done. Now we're done. Kale is delicious, now we're done.
Now this is an extra part on how to make kale chips.
Kale chips!
Okay, so once you have all your kale ready, you put all of it into a bowl, and then you can add any ingredients that you think would fit in. Like I use Parmesan cheese, lemon, black pepper, and red pepper. So first you put your olive oil. Then after you put your olive oil in, you could cut your lemon with a knife, and then you could get that lemon and squeeze it in. Then you could get some black pepper and also put that in. And you could also use sriracha. That's what my class did. But you can add it if you want. So, after you're done, you put it on parchment paper.
Once you get your parchment paper, you set all the leaves 2 centimeters apart. Once you're done setting all the leaves 2 centimeters apart, you put it into the oven. The oven over here, you would set it to 350 degrees. When you're done setting the oven, you would take the kale out and then put as many toppings as you would like.